Do you want to learn how to make a good side hustle? Then watch this video. This is the only way you can make money without doing any work. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money instantly outlining images. You don't need any experience or skills, so let's get started. But before we start, make sure to check the links below in the description to make $1,000 and more per day instantly. So, make sure you don't miss out on that. And make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's jump to the video. I was looking for a way to make some money online. I found that outlining an image is a great way to make money. It's easy to get started. I came across an app that offered to pay people to outline images. This would be a great opportunity because it requires no experience and you could do it from home. Now, you can outline images on your phone with this free app. It is called Talaka.ai. Talaka is basically a GPT site that will pay you for completing tasks such as identifying objects in images, transcribing speech, or marking faces in videos. With Talaka, you have flexibility and your choice of easy tasks. You can do tasks whenever you want on your way to work, at a cafe, or at home. You can use computer or free app for Android and iOS to complete tasks. Sign up is very simple, take a few minutes and it's totally free. Complete a quick training set to learn how to do a particular type of task. Then, simply you can pick the tasks you want to do on your computer or in the mobile app. You can check images, moderate comments, rate websites, or answer survey questions. All you need is a phone with internet and some free time. Complete the tasks at your own convenience, and earn money. Also you can earn by referring your friends to Talaka. You can withdraw money from Talaka using the following methods: PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and others. Talaka is open to everyone who wants to generate additional income in their spare time, regardless of their background. You can pick only the tasks you like and complete them whenever you want on computer, tablet, or smartphone. The more diligently you work, the higher your reward. Talaka is a legit. If you are looking for extra secondary sites to earn from, it can be a viable choice. It has a low payout threshold and it offers convenient payment methods. However, if you are looking to make more than $1,000 each and every day, make sure to check the links in the description below. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.